Welcome to Franchise Republic. In this video, we are going to feature Mr. KOKIO Korean Chicken Bites franchise business ideas. Mr. KOKIO is a locally owned food cart business brand. KOKIO, where the business name was derived, means kakadoodle-doo. It's the sound of roosters in Korean. The main concept of Mr. KOKIO is to serve authentic and delicious Korean-style bite-sized chicken nuggets, accessible and affordable to everyone. In year 2017, Mr. KOKIO decided to venture into a bigger market and provide snack and meal type on-the-go foods at value pricing. Convenient packaging with an authentic Korean experience. Their mission is to provide customers with great tasting, affordable, and authentic Korean-style bite-sized fried chicken at a convenient packaging to satisfy customers' cravings for rich and distinctive flavor in every chicken bite. Their vision. They envision to grow and become a global brand in the food cart industry, providing customers with consistent quality and authenticity of products and services to create value and provide opportunities to their employees, suppliers, and franchisees. For Mr. KOKIO to be the flagship of Korean chicken snack food cart in the Philippines. Mr. KOKIO products. The Korean owner developed and perfected the distinct and addictive flavors of his homemade sauces, a fusion of Korean and Asian flavors, and a cooking technique that makes an exquisitely crispy chicken nuggets. Bite-sized chicken nuggets coated with the choice of your chosen sauce: mild Korean spicy, extra Korean spicy, soy garlic, teriyaki, honey glazed, and sweet and spicy. They also serve combo. Combo number 1, chicken and potato. Combo number 2, chicken duo with 2 flavors. They also offer sides like potato nuggets and potato balls. The following are the franchisee qualification. Number 1, must be a business-oriented and has a dedication to succeed. Number 2, you may or may not have experience in managing a similar business. Number 3, has the willingness to learn the business is enough. Number 4, should possess people handling skills. Number 5, must be open-minded and ready to take the challenges of managing the business. For the franchisee initial fees. For the cart franchise, it is worth 200,000 pesos. For the area franchise, it is worth 500,000 pesos. For the capital requirement. For the outside mall outlets, the required capital is worth 550,000 pesos. For mall outlets, the capital requirement is 650,000 pesos. For the franchise inclusions. Number 1, use of trademarks. Number 2, site approval. Number 3, training for franchisee and staff. Number 4, procurement program. Number 5, opening assistance. Number 6, operations manual on loan. Number 7, research and development. For the franchise initial term. For cart franchise, the initial term is 4 years. For the area franchise, the franchise initial term is 6 years. For the franchise continuation fee per month. For cart franchise, it is worth 6,000 pesos. For the area franchise, it is worth 5,000 pesos per cart. For the required space, the minimum required space is at least 4 square meters. For the franchising procedure. Number 1, fill up the confidential questionnaire and send it together with your letter of intent to their email address mr.kokiobcd@gmail.com. Number 2, they will review your application. Number 3, you will be invited to discuss franchise details. Number 4, they will present to you the franchise disclosure information. Number 5, your proposed location will be evaluated. Number 6, the franchise agreement will be executed. Number 7, outlet setup and staff training will commence. Number 8, they will provide pre-opening assistance. And number 9, congratulations on your grand opening. For the contact details, you may contact Mr. KOKIO Food Cart at SM City, Bacolod with the address Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. You may contact Miss Rufa Elaine U. Park with the contact numbers 0910-236-5606 and 0917-880-8376. You can send them an email address at mr.kokiobcd@gmail.com. You can also visit their FB page at mr.kokio888. You can also visit their Instagram account at mr.kokio_bcd. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1, who will provide the location and what will be the ideal location? Answer, each franchisee is responsible in securing his or her own location. All potential sites shall be submitted to the franchisor for approval. The ideal locations are highly commercial areas, malls, and schools. Question number 2, what pre-opening service do you provide? Answer, prior to and upon opening, Mr. KOKIO Korean Chicken Bites representative will assist you with the training of personnels and staffs, acquiring of equipment and inventory supplies, and arranging the outlet opening. Question number 3, how long is the return of investment? Answer, financial viability depends on the various factors such as sales, investments, and ability of the franchisee to effectively manage his or her expenses. This will discuss further during the franchise interview after you send the letter of intent. Question number 4. Is the franchisee required to purchase all the equipment and supplies needed in the outlet store? Answer, as a franchisee, you are required to purchase the equipment and supplies from the franchisor and accredited suppliers. You will be provided with the procurement program to guide you upon purchasing of all the supplies that you need to set up the outlet. Question number 5. What about the training? Answer, the franchisor spent a great deal of time and effort developing its service and system and accepts no compromise in quality and control. In these regards, they will require franchisee and staffs to complete their training program and demonstrate mastery of certain skills. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Mr. KOKIO Korean Chicken Bites franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.